This was just some of what our cameras captured yesterday when a protest for answers in the death of Jabari Peoples made its way into the streets at Lakeshore Drive. This just moments before Homewood police pulled up onto the scene and took some of the people there into custody. Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Guy Rawlings.
And I'm Jarvis Robertson. Now, I was at that scene yesterday as that protest was unfolding, reporting real time as 5 people were arrested.
WVTM 13's Bryce Oslin caught up with Black Lives Matter representatives today about what happened. He also shares what to know if you want to make your voice heard.
More than 50 people with the Black Lives Matter organization took the streets demanding justice for Jabari Peoples.
There's a presence of Black Lives Matter daily in the city of Homewood.
The purpose of the demonstration was to disrupt business in the city of Homewood, and they accomplished that.
There were some who decided to take to the streets, but there were also those others who were on the side in the grass, continuing to chant, continue to uplift and say the name Jabari Peoples.
Police arrested 5 women. All are charged with disorderly conduct, and one also faces charges of inciting a riot. But Black Lives Matter co-founder Eric Hall says they expected arrest and they were ready.
We have bail funds, we have lawyers that are present, we have legal observers watching and engaging every step of the process and protest to ensure the safety of all of those who engage.
According to Homewood City Code Section 18 through 22, no person should engage in public assembly unless a permit is issued by the chief of police. I reached out to Homewood City Manager Glenn Adams. He sent me a statement saying they didn't get any requests for permits and they didn't grant any. He says the police were responding to 911 calls. Public interest attorney Richard A. Rice says protesters have a responsibility to understand civil disobedience. Likewise, law enforcement must receive proper training in peaceful crowd management and constitutional policing practices. Hall says the organization plans to disrupt more businesses until their demands are answered.
To release the video, all unedited versions of the video, to name the officer that killed Jabari Peoples. And I think that's a very simple request.
In Homewood, Bryce Oslin, WVTM 13.
Organizers are still calling on an economic boycott of Homewood businesses for the next 100 days. They're looking to hurt the city financially in hopes they'll take accountability for what happened to Jabari.